The national junior chess team jetted back into the country from Cairo, Egypt after a successful outing of Africa Youth Chess Championships. Kenya had fielded a commanding squad comprising 77 juniors in 12 categories. The country collected 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 bronze, finishing 3rd in Africa.
We had a successful outing in Egypt. I'm proud to report that they have come back with a gold medal and a bronze, which is one of the best performance from the Kenyan team. Remember, Egypt is one of the top chess sport country, and getting just even a bronze in their home ground is very, very difficult. I want to commend Nathaniel Manyeke and Cassidy, who have made us proud to win a medal. I also want to thank the Ministry of Sports for their support. They fully supported the team, and also the warm reception that they have given to our athletes. I really thank our Minister, C.S. Namwamba, for this gesture, and we hope more will be coming. Thank you very much.
I learned a lot from my games, and I'm happy to win for my country. And I like to thank God for everything, and the Ministry of Sport, Chess Kenya, my parents, for the support, and my teammates that we were there with. They helped me a lot, and thank you so much.